Hello, we're live. All right, we are at an event in Singapore. We're having our private dinner, and there's a lot going on. I'm gonna switch the camera for you. I'm still eating. All right, as you can see, we are having our community dinner. This is not TGE Day, but we are gonna have some announcements leading up to it. Great to see you on Solo. You can see we got some guests, we got some of the team here, and we're gonna have a um, keynote by Fiddy in just a minute. So thanks for hanging out. We're gonna share this experience with you. If there's any questions you want answered or anyone on the team you want to talk to, this is a good time to do it. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy this event. We're gonna share the experience, and I think you want to stick around because the vision of Dime is a lot more than TGE. We'll be launching Dime Pay, Dime Wallet, Dime Markets, and of course, this is Dime TV. So let me just pan to the side so you guys can enjoy this experience as well. We got some of our team members there. That's the engineering guys. We have other guests. I don't know their names. We're at this place in Suntec City in Singapore called Synthesis. And that's the other camera. Oh, that's me on camera. All right, on screen too. So, not a lot prepared because I don't want to spill what's going to happen before it actually happens on stage. We're going to prep the keynote, and this is me just stretching the time until the other stuff starts happening. So thanks for hanging out. And we have like a lot of the community here as well. So thank you for joining us on stream. Now, oh, you see Meadow? Yeah, yeah. Let's get a zoom in on Meadow, if we can. Yeah, we're live. Yeah, we can share this. We're, you know, you banned Menno from the office, but not from the restaurant. That's true. This is an open space. He's stealing alpha from our head of engineering, Clement, right now, as you can see. If you know Fabio, he's also here. Jadan, everybody. Jadan. That's too much leg of. I'm gonna zoom in. There's Fabio. What's up? Yeah, there you go. The camera.
Hi guys, what's up?
That's Fabio. It's live. Yeah, it's on X right now. Yeah, if you go to X, you're gonna see you.
I can leak something?
You can leak. Yeah. Yeah, let me get the other mic. That's good. I'm stretching for time. It's always hard to live stream.
I'm good right here?
Yeah, you're good. You're good. Framed up. Looks good. Looks super good.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. What camera?
So, you guys are hiding this wallet. I can tell for the people right now, you launch a wallet, right?
Gotta give them some Napa.
So, you launch a Dime TV app. That's it?
I mean, we got Dime Markets,
Dime Market, Dime Pay.
Wallet.
Oh, shit.
You know, there's some hints out there. If,
So, I can pay all the world is Dime? That's it?
Dime
My
is,
card? Dime card?
is part of the ecosystem. Yeah, we're building out a lot
People going
more
wild.
for everybody. And we're going to have a full keynote by Fiddy a little bit later explaining it.
That's really awesome. Can't believe it, guys. Huge, guys, huge. Can't wait for Dime.
Yeah.
So Dime TG, it happened.
Soon, very soon.
Soon?
We already leaked that this week sometime, but we're not going to say when.
Yeah,
So thanks for sticking around. Anyone in the chat, in the stream right now?
yeah. We'll be like in this week, right?
Yeah, it's this week. I mean,
It's so.
last week Fiddy said it's this week, so it's
This
going to
week.
be this week.
Thank you, guys. Let's enjoy it.
Cool. Thanks for joining, Fabio. If you don't know Fabio, you should. He's in our community. He makes great content, and you got to check him out. So I'm gonna hit you here with the spotlight because that's me stalling for time. What is Dime Markets? That is a good question. We're gonna reveal that fully later, but it's pretty much markets. You know, we have perps, equities, RWAs. A lot more is coming to the Dime ecosystem. Fiddy has announced this in other live streams before, so I'm not leaking anything, but it is all going to be encompassed around Dime Markets. Jadine Pasha. Jadine, I'm glad to see a lot of the community in the chat. I'm not glad to see a lot of money badgers here. I'm holding it down while everyone is talking to people, which is great because I don't want to talk to people. This is good. I'm just talking to you guys, which is easier than having to socialize. So I'm glad you guys are here to hang out. Let me know if there's anyone you want to talk to. We'll pull them in. You can see we got Minnow right there. He's talking to our head of engineering, Clements. We got Wardy right there on the middle left. Jadime, Y Pulse, always good to see you. We got Freddie, our BD, and we got Nick behind him. Let's zoom in. We're gonna do some zooming, guys. We're just gonna relax. We're just gonna zoom in on people that don't know we're streaming them, because that's how you become a pervert. All right, there's Nick. I feel like he can tell, but not tell at the same time. So we got Nick and Freddie here. The team is all in black shirts. We're either wearing a Paradex shirt, a Money Badger shirt, or a Better Than Sex shirt. And I'm here holding it down at the non-TV area. What's up?
I need help.
What do you need help with? Oh, there's an issue? Let's see. There might be an issue. We're going to find some stuff. Let's invite Menno. Yes. All right. We're going to bring Menno on stream. We're going to grab him. We have Jao from the community. He's here doing some videography. Amazing videographer. Hire him for your wedding or crypto event. We are definitely going to show Jao. There he is with the camera, with the Paradex jacket walking by. I'm checking out the screens. We're still live. Fantastic. So I'm going to bring on Minnow. We're going to go grab him. Actually, I'm just going to go over there since we have wireless mics. Let me zoom in. First, we got to line it up. There we go. Okay, let's go talk to Menno. I actually love this setup. Still looks good. So they're still on stream. It's looking good. Fantastic. Please zoom out a little.
What time is
A little late, like 20 minutes late.
okay?
PD's still on his way. As soon as he gets here, we'll start the line nets. Wow. I'm gonna let them keep going. It's a lot of pressure to stay on stream. So I'm glad they're here to participate. Hey guys, live stream. Oh. They said no sound. We've been streaming. Or no sound. Holy shit. All right. Can you guys hear us? It'd be great if you let us know. Because when I tested the stream earlier, I was like, oh, I thought I heard something. So I don't know if something went out. Let us know if you hear something. And now I keep the audio set up.
That's Maggie.
Can you hear us? Oh, okay. All right. I don't know what happened. We lost sound earlier. Now we're back in. So there was no one heard anything. Everything was private.
Okay, so Dan is gonna Dan is gonna give a quick recap.
I just went from head of content to content. Okay, just okay, content guy. Oh, I got demoted.
Yeah.
So
Actually, he's the CEO of Dime TV.
yeah,
He's the
CEO,
you just got promoted. Right.
Demoted. I don't know if that's better or worse. There's a lot of stuff to do.
That's what it means to be part of the team.
That's true. Welcome to the stream. If you heard nothing until now, welcome. So there was
Welcome.
It was working initially, and then we had a stream reset, and then they didn't pick up the mic the second time. So
But here we are now. I mean, like
Here we are now.
we're still here. So
Yes.
I mean, like, who gives a shit?
that's true. We're here. It's not TGE day, or is it? I don't know. You'll find out later. But it's supposed to happen this week. We got a lot of the team that came in. A majority of the team has called it. We're not going to say when, but it's good to have our community members are here. Yes, you know, not going to dox anybody, so everyone should introduce themselves. Like Fabio. They didn't hear
It's
earlier.
Okay. Can you hear now?
Yeah.
It's a polymark call right now. Oh, I believe on Friday.
Friday.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Friday. I can't give an answer because I'm on the team.
Yeah.
I don't
I
want
don't-
any other guess either.
Friday?
I don't know.
Just checking.
Depends on your time zone, I guess. I don't know.
It might be a curveball. It might be on Sunday. But that would be a bit of a very big curveball. Yeah, it's like people don't want to come in on a Sunday, right? So it's like the week.
Start on this day.
Yeah.
Start on the Saturday.
It's, it's happening this week. So, welcome. We are at the Paradex private dinner. Thank you for joining us. And we're going to have a lion dance. We're going to have a keynote by Woody. We're going to show vision and some new products we'll be launching.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, like we can see a sneak peek. I can see a sneak peek from I think from the keynote. It looks very interesting. It's like I mean, like the big thing that the underlying thing I'm seeing is like it's not really about Dime TG only, right? But it's like where Dime is heading, what the vision from the team is. So that's very exciting to see. I mean, like ultimately that's what I signed up for, right? It's like I believe in the vision the team has, and it's really nice to see them really showcasing what they're trying to do. So that's really fun for me to see.
Yeah, that's Steamboat.
That's Steamboat joining the stream. Right?
What's up?
I'd like to be here very, very soon.
Okay.
So do me a favor, let's be near the entrance so when it comes in. You can bring him along the way.
Yeah. So guys, I mean, like it's I think this. I mean, like I'm not sure if you can see the keynote that we're about to see, but it will definitely be online. It will be shared with you guys. And I mean, like, let us know what you think, right? It's like other than that, I'm just excited for TGE. It's like
That's good.
that's good. That's good. Very good. I mean, like I've also had quite a journey on Paradex, so it's also really fun for me to see like Dime really coming to fruition, like going to TGE, and like it's like awesome, man. It's like I'm excited. What else can I say?
How long have you been with Paradex?
It's like November 2024 or something, or December. It's like one or the other.
Or over 2 years.
Yeah.
It's been over 2 years of your life supporting,
Yeah,
being
it's
in
like-
the community.
But it started out pretty chill, right? But it's like the more I found out about the team and about their conviction, their way of work, what they're trying to build, the tech they're using, and
It's gone through the ups and downs of our community, of our all the things that we've gone through. So you stuck it out, you still believe in us. You know, that speaks a lot.
yeah. I mean, like it's very difficult, especially always. I mean, like I looked at the camera. I feel like Dan is drifting off, but it's like no, it's good. It's good to showcase the
We
venue,
gotta
right?
slow zoom into you.
Yeah. It's very good. It's very good. No.
I saved it. Coming back.
No, but
Hello
it's
to it.
exactly like you said. It's like I really believe in the project. I really believe in you guys in as a team. And that's also the fun part for me to try to do my part, although it might be a tiny part. It's like you're contributing to something that you really believe in, right? And I think that should gives it a whole lot more meaning than just looking at it from like a financial perspective. And that's something, I mean, like that's something that I would recommend to anyone in whatever community you're in, right? It's like believe, make your own conviction, right? Do your research and tag along with the teams you really believe in, and look at what they're doing, and check if the conviction you have, if that lines up with your values. And because I mean, like, look at my case, it brings you opportunities, it brings you real meaning in crypto, and I think that's what it's all about, right?
It's about the community.
And especially, I mean, like, also I think we have a really fun community. I mean, like on Discord, on Twitter. So I mean, like, we can say, I think I can speak for all of us. We appreciate you guys. Yeah.
Well said.
Yeah.
You're holding the mic, so I'm not even going to say something.
I just had those few words.
I'll take
Now
the
it's
mic back.
Dan. Now it's Dan's turn.
So we'll be having Fiddy on very soon. I gotta warn him that this is a hot mic, not to say anything
Yeah.
before his keynote. So we're gonna have this like on him while he does his keynote very soon. But first, a lion dance in a moment. So let's zoom out here, or zoom into another area. That's the entrance.
And I think it's pretty. I mean, like, we have an artist doing caricatures here.
Yeah.
People can take a seat and they draw Dave, like with personal features and stuff like that.
I don't think anyone's doing the caricature thing. I don't think they know this. There's no one sitting there. There's no one in the seat.
Okay,
I know. I think it's time for a caricature artist.
I already have one.
Oh, you
I
have
already
one. You know, did you try one?
Mina also try
Oh.
one. Yeah.
All right.
But it's like the other really fun thing is there is this Dime photo booth
Yeah.
outside. It's like I mean, like, I think we'll show you guys in a bit, like a photo. You can take a photo, and it's like with a newspaper that's all Paradex and Dime related. So that's really nice, a nice touch, right?
Standing by, ready? I'll wait for them over there. Who's ready as well? Okay.
Okay, so we just heard Fiddy is coming in soon. So I mean, like,
He loves to make an entrance.
will you turn the camera towards the?
That's all good. So let's zoom out here. Actually, sorry guys, a little shaky, but we can turn the camera to the stage from here, so no problem.
Yeah.
There's a slow pan, so no one gets motion sickness. You can see the space here. We got a couple banners showcasing some of the new products we'll be launching.
No.
So you're getting a sneak peek.
Yeah, these
what we're
banners,
doing.
these
Yeah.
banners definitely give a sneak peek. Yeah.
We can look at other people's phones. We can see what they're who they're texting, what they're talking about.
What are you trading?
Oh, here we are. I'll say that as I gotta move that banner once we get going. Right, back to me in a minute. How are you enjoying the heat compared to the cold?
In Singapore,
Yeah.
it's quite rough, but it's like you get.
What's that? What is it? Oh, 0. Player 0. You got Fabio here.
Fine.
And now for the next segment, hot takes with Fabio. Right now, it's a quick moment. We're wondering about this weird pump with the 0 token. It's clearly a pump and dump as you get liquidated. So, another crypto moments.
I'm shorting 0,
I'm shorting
but
0.
people keep buying.
That's a good short, I think. Long short.
Yeah. Up 3%, 30%. We'll see.
Yeah, but maybe I mean I was just talking to Clement earlier. He's been a big part of Paradex for the better part of 3 years, right? So it's and I mean I think he can touch on what goes into creating a platform like this, because you're like the lead engineer, the head engineer. What can
I manage the engineers.
You manage the engineers, right? So the overarching you manage everyone, you put them.
Yeah. We work on prioritization, making sure we plan, make sure we follow what's going on, react to what's happening in the market.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean the challenge for us is not only we're building the DEX, we're building the chain.
Yeah.
So that's what it takes to have risk checks both on the cloud and chain, which not everybody is willing to put in the effort.
Yeah, I think definitely building your own app chain comes with its difficulties and challenges, right? I mean, especially in the early days, it's
very hard.
I mean, it's the tech was really new, right? It was there weren't that many app chains out there. It's
and I think you'll see this year the app chain model is going to pay off this year. It's going to really help us accelerate and do things that other people cannot do.
Yeah. Especially owning your own chain, you can specialize it towards certain activities, like in this case, like a Paradex or finance or trading in general.
Or, Dime Pay,
sneak peek, So was that part of the design philosophy from day one? Was it really it has to cater to our needs?
Yeah, I mean we looked at general purpose and we tried it out, but it just didn't work, right? For the needs that we have, we really want to bring finance on chain. We need specialization.
So you probably looked at looked at the current L1s or
we looked at them all. We looked at running on public startnet at one point too. It didn't work out.
So it's So it's when you build on other chains, you're really confined to their
there's that
limitations, right?
You can only go as fast as the chain will go, right? So that's also a benefit and a drawback, right? If they're going really fast, then you catch the wind. If you grow faster than them, then you will constantly not be able to grow as a business. That's tough.
And were you also, in this, you were during the early development phase in Paradex. You were there, right?
I wasn't as involved back then. I was still involved in the Paradigm side.
Oh, in the Paradigm side. Okay.
Yeah, I was in close proximity to it.
And I think, that are some underlined things about Paradex. It's like the chain. I mean, like Paradex is running on its own chain. I mean, like I don't know if I can call it the power chain or I think
It's the Paradex chain.
the Paradex chain, right? I think that I mean, like many people don't really realize it, right? Because it's like it's not like put out there as bluntly, right? But it's like, it's a big part of why Paradex is operating the way it does. Yeah. And yeah, I think I mean, like I love it, man. I think that's where I think just like you said, there are big things coming after TGE. Like, in my opinion, there's really the value proposition for Paradex is really starting when these new features, new things to trade. When these start shipping, you're not only trading perpetual futures. You can trade options. You can cross margin trade down, portfolio margin, and that's where these design decisions will really pay off, right? Yeah. Yeah. That's an exciting. That must also really be exciting for you. Like you're not. I mean, like I can imagine you were really focused on the underlying architecture, like just the throughput and the sustainability of the chain at first, right? But you move on from that to other.
We've definitely graduated to a point where we can start quickly adding all these different things you're talking about, options, RWAs. We're at that point now.
Yeah.
So you're gonna start seeing us, hockey stick, and like TGE is kind of like the starting point for all this inflection point.
Awesome to see. I mean, like it's an exciting time. Yeah? Nice. So Dan,
What's up?
you just caught up with everyone from the venue, right? Real
Yes.
quick.
Real quick. Yeah. Just making sure that the stream's okay. We're set up for the next few segments. We're getting the B-roll. Jay out, one of our community members, came out. He's doing some B-roll. He's a wedding photographer, a videographer, films amazing stuff. So I'm helping him make sure we have like good B-roll of the team talking to people, stuff we can use for other things like in the future.
Nice. That's good, yeah. It was pretty funny because I met you yesterday,
Yes.
and JWoww was there, and I mean like JWoww, he has been a big part of the community for a while.
Yeah, he said he was there when you guys became mods.
Yeah.
He's like, I didn't make it. What the hell?
He was supervising us, right? He was like, what are these guys doing?
Yeah.
So it was, I mean, like that's also really fun about being here. It's like you meet all these people that you interact with, like on a semi-regular basis or a daily basis, and it's like, oh yeah, you meet each other, right? It's like it's kind of crazy.
Yeah, like real friendships, real relationships start like from a community.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
Make friends, yeah.
Yeah, you just hang around on Discord and you talk to a few people and you fight with some people, but that escalates or that evolves into something else, right?
Yeah.
That's
So, we also have a caricature artist, and we had Fabio doing one now because Fabio didn't know about it. So I was like, hey man, you got to get yourself a date.
Yeah.
So right now we're zooming out to showcase the space. We are here at Synthesis in Suntec City in Singapore, and we will be talking more about Dime Markets, Dime Pay, Dime Wallet, and as you know, we're on Dime TV.
Yeah, so what do you think? How will the caricature from Fabio turn out? I think it's going to be the biggest bodybuilder we've seen today.
Maybe. We just introduced the lady today, the caricature artist to the Money Badger style, and she got like a 20-minute crash course with Sneh and Atom on how to design these Money Badgers. So we'll see how it looks. Yes, how to Money Badger something.
I was actually the first test subject.
Yes. How'd that go?
Well, I didn't look like Dave at all. So I mean, like the testing phase was a good one. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, two
So, I mean,
goals. Oh, two goals. This lady does not know we're live, guys. This lady does not know.
She wants to look you guys in the eyes, right?
Well,
To see what you're up to.
Too much of a close-up.
I didn't. I mean, like I'll just check if we have any comments, right, on the stream.
Yeah.
Just see if.
I'd say X. We're more active there.
Yeah.
So thanks for joining us. It's time for Comment Corner with Minnow. We got MJ here. Hey, MJ. Welcome. Welcome, MJ. Welcome, MJ. You are now on Dime TV.
I don't realize.
It's too late. You're sitting right here. We got good cameras.
MJ just wants to eat in peace, and he gets live on stream.
Maybe we should zoom in on his dinner.
I mean, like, look at this. This is my dinner, but Dan came to it with a microphone, so dinner has to wait.
Food right in there. Get it.
This is what MJ is eating.
One roll. One queen mayo.
Oh, too much motion. I forgot the pre-size. We're zooming back out. So looking for Fiddy. Once Fiddy arrives, we've got some of the other stuff ready.
Yeah, so I mean, like, I think we'll see Fiddy soon,
Oh,
right?
he's right there. He went to get a haircut. That's where he went.
It's looking smooth. Yeah.
Go get fresh.
Yeah, so might this be a good time? We just cut the audio from ourselves, and we'll just get back to them when get back on stream when Fiddy is on.
Yeah. We're gonna cut it down to one mic for now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn this off. I'll take that one for Fiddy. So hang out. Make sure Fiddy doesn't say anything because this is a hot mic, and you're gonna hear it if he does. So we're gonna zoom out.
Listen carefully.
We're gonna go to the stage soon. So thanks for joining us, guys. We'll be back. Dan here. As you can see, we are going to get started in just a minute. We're going to get a mic to Fiddy, but not too early because he's talking to people. There's Fiddy in the center. What's up?
Brief Anand on what he has to do.
Okay.
Market the lion.
So this is a hot mic. We're live on Dime TV, of course.
All right.
The lion dance is going to go around. It's going to, do its thing. Then it's going to be on stage, and then on stage it's going to present a scroll. As soon as the scroll comes out, you walk onto the stage, you take the scroll, and you open it. And then,
So I'll go on the stage and I'll open it.
yeah, there's a staircase on the side here. So for now, we're just going to be standby on the side. Now I'm going to capture the rest of it on camera, but this is a hot mic, so I'll take it right after. So you don't.
So should I take it while I'm on stage?
Because you go right into your keynote.
Okay, so I'll wear it. Right?
Yeah. So just a heads up. Hot mic. Yeah.
When I go up? Tell me when to go up. I have to open the scroll, right? Which way am I opening it?
I think the right part is the top part. It's going to say the dime has come.
That's pretty cool. I'm glad we did this. Let's go! What about this mic? Wait. Okay, I'll turn on you. All right. All right. That was awesome. That was awesome. that was a great start to the evening. Super high energy. So I can still hear it in the back. Can't hear? Better? Yes? No? Better not? Um, well, first of all, that was amazing. Thank you all for coming out and spending this evening with us. This is by far probably the biggest week for us in a long time, and we're super excited to share it with you all. So again, thank you for taking the time to come out. For those of you who don't know me, which I hope is not a lot of people, I'm Anand Gomes. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Paradigm and Paradex. I see a lot of familiar faces here, so hopefully this is not news to you. But for those of you who don't know much about Paradigm, so Paradigm is a business we started in 2019, and from the outset, it was very clear that Paradigm had completely changed the options trading business. Before us, the market for institutional trading did not exist. There was 10 people in a Telegram pit, and I still remember the early days, and some of you in the crowd actually do remember they were probably in that Telegram pit. I see GSR, some folks here. There you go. The good old days when there was just 10 people in the whole market. And that's when we got started. And it was very clear from very early that the market had changed for the better. And by one fact alone, in that we made this platform available, right? And so fast forward to today, Paradigm has far exceeded my own expectations as well. We've traded about 1 trillion in lifetime volume. On any given day, we are about 35% of the global market for options. And not only that, Paradigm has become critical market infrastructure for options. If you are an options trader and you're trading size, you are on Paradigm. And that is something I'm really, really proud about, and something that we did, and we pushed the market in a way in which ultimately it made it more efficient. But as we were building Paradigm, it became, that was a surprise. But as we were building Paradigm, it was we kept running into the centralized exchanges, right? It felt like every time we were building a new product or launching a feature, it felt like the exchanges just kept getting in the way. So it was very clear from very early on that we needed access to Rails where we didn't have to ask anyone for permission. If you know us as a team, we're fundamentally impatient. If we think of something, we want to do it right away, right? And we don't like asking for permission. And so it was clear to us that we needed to build our own exchange, right? But as fate would have it, a couple of months after we decided to build Paradex, which was the exchange that ultimately we ended up building, FTX happened, right? And as if it was not clear to us then, it was somewhat clear that we needed our own exchange. But after FTX happened, it was very clear that we had to do this, right? Not only were the centralized exchanges our problem, but they were also the problem, right? And the solution for which was to build an exchange that was fully on-chain. And this is the foundational kind of vision and motivation for why we ended up building Paradex. And so for the last 2 years, we've been quietly building Paradex. It's traded about 250 billion in volume. We have 75,000 traders. We have spot, we have perps, we have options. But we've never really fully communicated to the world what our vision for Paradex is, right? And so today, I'm super excited to share with you 2 big announcements towards this vision. The first is that Paradex is now DIME. DIME is the ticker. DIME is the ticker. DIME is the app. DIME is everything. The second is the launch of 4 amazing products that we think are going to completely change the way people interact in the internet economy. The first is DIME Wallet, right? Because we think all your assets should live in one place, not across multiple exchanges, not across multiple wallets or margin pools. We think that experience is broken and it has to go, and DIME Wallet will solve that. The second is DIME Markets. So you can trade, invest, and earn all from a single place, right? And this is what Paradigm is today. It allows you to place to trade, to trade, invest, and earn in one single place without having to worry about margin pools and juggling between different things. It's just, again, we think it's a broken experience and it's going to have to go. And we think Dime Markets will replace that. The third is Dime Pay. And this is something I'm super excited about because for the first time, at least not for the first time, but we're one of the first apps that I think will allow you to spend your crypto assets in the real world, right? Which today is not much of a possibility unless you use one of these kind of apps that only give you like a crypto credit card or a debit card. But no one has ever given you this integrated experience where you have all your assets in one place, you can trade, invest, earn, and you can spend from the same application, right? And that's only possible because you have one set of composable rails that is the Paradex chain or the Dime chain. And the last is Dime TV. Now, this is something I know, I've rolled out, I've talked about publicly, but not many people understand. And people have asked me, it's like, hey, why Dime TV? Why financial media? And the answer is actually quite simple. We think legacy financial media is hopelessly out of touch with our world. If you look around you, the people are different. We use different, tools. We use different language. Like, how can we trust CNBC to tell the story of our story, to tell the story of our trenches? They don't understand our world. And so it was very clear to us that not only do we need to build the platform, but we also need independent financial media to be able to tell our story to the world. I mean, not just our story, but the story of crypto to the world in our way. And the amazing thing is that this is not 4 different products. This is one unified app that is the Dime app. Thank you very much. So, we'll now move to, so you don't have to really take my word for it. This is what I told you, but it's better if I show you. So I figured our product guys put together here's the app. And we'll be sharing this online very soon. Here you go. I hope you can see. And everyone in the back see this? Okay, cool. So again, like I said, one unified app, which is the Dime app. You'll have a wallet at the bottom here, or single asset, a single place for all your assets, whether that's spot, perps, options, whatever, even fiat rails, because as the world is becoming more open API, it's becoming easier to connect even to legacy financial infrastructure. And so if there's one place where you can basically use to track all your assets, spend, etc., we think that is the future, right? You have Dime Markets, which again is all unified within the same interface. Then there's the earn piece, right? Because it's not just about trading. You also want to save, invest, borrow, lend. Again, that's one place to do all of that as well. And then, of course, last but not the least is Dime TV. There you go. You can see me on stage. So we think this is the new way. It has to be, we have to tell the story of our trenches, and it has to be through independent financial media that tells the story of our way. And this is, again, is something I'm very excited about. The analogy for this, by the way, is I'm sure some of you have probably used Bloomberg and Bloomberg TV. We see a world in the future where Dime TV is on every trader's desktop, streaming 24/7. We think this is the way forward, and we're pretty excited to build towards that. So anyways, thank you again for coming out. Super happy. Super excited and happy to share this vision with you. Thank you also for supporting us so far. You guys are our best relationships across both businesses, and I'm looking forward to catching up with you tonight. Thank you. Let's fucking go! Thank you. That was good. Hot mic. Hot mic. Hot mic. Hot mic.
That's a keynote. We made it. Oh, yes, success. How you doing? And that's our stream. There's Steamboat. We got Clement right here. I'll zoom out. Now, those were the major points that we were going to cover. I'm going to turn this camera around. Hey, Steamboat. How's it going? Yeah, no problem. We got through this. We're still live. We got a hot mic.
We're live now.
Yeah, we've been live.
Well,
We've been
guys,
live the whole time,
hi.
yeah.
Hello.
Hey.
Sorry, I've been running around, so I couldn't spend time with you guys. But I will get a drink and I will get drunk with you.
All right. Well, we're still live
there.
then.
I meant them.
Looks like. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're still super close to me, guys. You guys are way too close. Let's turn the camera so you can see kind of what else we're seeing here. Oh, that's Dime TV. So there, we're turning slowly. We made it. So this is the stage. We set up a background video where we wanted to introduce some of the teams. Since this is an event, you might not know everybody on the team, but for the people that are here and you want to talk to someone maybe specifically for Dime Pay, Dime Wallet, Markets, or TV, you can see here, Steamboat, Dime TV. Fred, Dime Markets. Slightly covered there, yes. Ivars, Dime Wallet. And here we have Snake coming by. Hey Snake, how you doing?
That was pretty. Oh, the stream is still on.
Yeah. Yes.
I'm gonna stop talking to you, man. You put me on stream every time I'm here.
Anytime you're near me, like there's gonna be a stream that's
Right?
happening live.
That was so fucking good.
That was great.
Was that some Steve Jobs level shit or what?
The execution was amazing. It wasn't as stressful as I thought it was gonna be.
Right?
So I'm pretty
Freddy was
happy.
this close to saying, oh, and one more thing.
Yeah.
Introducing the iPhone. Cool as shit. I'm so proud of my team for doing this. This was so fun, man.
This was great. This
This
a
was
great
incredible.
event. Yeah.
This was incredible. Shout out.
Shout out Money
Dime.
Badgers.
Shout out Money Badgers. Shout out Paradex. This is lovely.
Yes.
Should I grab you a drink?
What are you drinking?
I will.
All right, please.
Stay on the rocks.
Not too much. Maybe a Sprite. Maybe a Sprite. not trying to get crazy. We still got to talk to people. So at this event, it's a close group of community members, investors, other people in the crypto space. And now we're going to talk to each of them about either Dime TV, Dime Markets, Dime Wallet, Dime Pay, and more. Maybe you'll be here for the stream or some of it. If not, yeah, it's all good. It's all good. Roman.dime, holy shit, I'm now more bullish than ever. I'm not going to tell you how to feel, but that's a good way to feel. We're building a lot. We're here. The team is still hiring, actually. If you saw our post yesterday, we're still hiring developers. There's still a lot more to do. We're looking for streamers. We're expanding our reach in entertainment. We're trying out a bunch of different shows. And we are building a lot. So that's all I can say. We're going to do our best, of course. There's no guarantees when anything happens, but this is a team that is determined to make things happen. Now we'll switch you out over to the everybody cam. And I think a lot of people don't know we're live, so we are sneaking up on them. Whoa. What happened here? Hold on. Okay. Well, we're locked in on 50. Oh, that's why. I really like this camera. This camera has proven to be pretty awesome. This is the OBS Bot Tail 2. This is some behind the scenes boring technical stuff of the cameras I use. And here we are. Damn. Oh, awesome. Thank you. Thank you. I got a Sprite. We're gonna keep things cool. Keep things cool. All right, I'm gonna bring you back to the other side. Does anyone from the team you'd like to speak with? That's a good time to ask. There's a lot of people here. Let me see, Fabio. We're gonna wait. If Sneem wants to stream or Steamboat, then we'll hang out with them for a little bit. If not, we might call it. So it's a good time to get some questions in. I know we've been live for like 80 minutes. Hey Fred. Let's see. All good, all good. We're on stream, and so are you. You're we are live. Yeah. Hi.
I see you look on the YouTube thing.
Oh.
I've seen your channel.
I also have a channel. Are you Manu? Are you Manu?
No, he's Hopsa. He's also Dutch.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just assumed because you know the accent.
Not many Dutch people, so it's a fair assumption.
Okay. No, no, no.
Look at him, man. Look at him. Doesn't look like Dutch.
If someone said I was Dutch, they were lying.
Oh yeah, I guess so too, man. Don't assume, huh? Our big channel and
I mean, I'm focused all on Paradex, so I'm not doing stuff for my channel. But it is fun to like create content and experiment with like new things with Paradex. Yeah. So that's what Dime TV is kind of about. We're trying different things, and just so you know, we are live. Just a heads up.
Okay, yeah. What's up, boys?
We're live right now.
How's the chat going? People talking?
A little bit, a little bit.
How did you like the speech from Anand? Are you excited about Dime?
I mean, Roman.Dime, holy shit, I'm more bullish than ever
Wow.
after seeing it. It was such a great speech.
Nice. Yeah, it sounds like Dime time. Exactly.
Yes, yes.
The Dime has come.
Yeah, the Dime is now.
Time is now. Yes, yes, well said. So yeah, we're all just here, just hanging out. I'm waiting for some other people to show up so I can take a break too. Unless you guys want to chat on stream.
Oh, I feel like Hopsa is a good. You have your own YouTube channel.
Oh, you do? Yeah.
I have your own Twitter account, so go ahead.
I'm sure those here.
Welcome everybody, Cruise Crypto here. Also a face reveal at the same time.
Or you can interview with Fred.
Frederick.
Here we go. Here we go. Instead of Fred.
Frederick.
You can have Fred this mic.
He wants me to interview.
You two guys.
Me? Interview me?
You two. You two guys talk to each other.
Oh, yeah, you want to give me a
Give me
second?
a breather.
Okay.
Okay, good.
You can sit right here.
Want to interview me? Okay.
Okay, yeah, fine.
What do you want to know? What do you want to talk about?
Just tell me about the new Dime rebranding. So Dime
New
Market.
Dime. I mean, I think Anand already said it very well, right? I mean, actually, is it weird now that we don't look into the camera? Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I mean, it's you know, we're in crypto. We've been talking about this for so long, right? Like we're building a new financial system, right? But I think it always has been coming short. You know, it's just like, I mean, there were also cases like FTX, right? That kind of fully made people doubt, like, is it a good idea? Is it possible, right? Like things were collapsing there. And I think now, and I think it's proven as well with the new perp dexes, they're actually super efficient, right? There's like purpose-built app chains, you know, that can handle the throughput, that can actually take all that flow and volume and users that can serve them properly, like a centralized section. There's not much difference anymore. I mean, we know each other. I know you've also been very long in the space there. You know, where the first type of swap, what was it, Ether Delta, you know, like selling your ICO coins on the first kind of DEX. It took like 3 approvals on the blockchain, which each took 5 minutes to process, you know, so you were lucky maybe to sell something within 20 minutes after you clicked the button, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Then the Uniswap things came along, which was arguably a much better, right? Yeah, exactly. And then, and I think now we're at the stage.
No on-chain order books. It was all like automated market making pools. Coming out with order books on chain and really having a sex experience with the decentralized aspect. Yeah, so really come a far way.
Yeah, so I think now, you know, it's the time to kind of combine all that possibilities that we can now build on an app chain and basically start to actually build these financial centers, on chain actually.
Okay, cool.
And kind of also vertically integrate them, right? I mean, Anand was speaking about Dime Pay, Dime Wallet, right? These solutions exist already, same as like Perpdexes, and they all like independently already on chain, and they've like developed into a stance where they're also nice to use. Like MetaMask is, well, some people maybe hate it, but it works relatively good. There's like some certain Visa cards you can pay, and they deduct your stable coins. It's sure there's a lot of fees sometimes. It doesn't work fully flawlessly, but we're getting there. We're at a stage where it's efficient, they're fast enough, and now it's time to just vertically integrate all of these things, basically on a super app, and then you can offer those things even cheaper with more products, right?
Yeah,
I think MetaMask, who did MetaMask integrate with for perps trading? They did that, right?
They did do that.
Hyperliquid.
Hyperliquid. Okay.
Yeah, so you can trade perps via your MetaMask wallet. That's cool, but how does it actually look? Like you're paying MetaMask and you're paying Hyperliquid.
Yeah, exactly.
Right, so you're paying twice.
Well, exactly. Yeah,
and we can basically say you're in your Dime wallet and you're trading on the Dime markets, and you know what? It's probably cheaper than even one leg of the trade with MetaMask and Hyperliquid.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah, super excited about building this app now.
Yeah, okay, cool. And what sets the new Dime integration apart from the other Perpdexes?
How is it different?
Why would someone choose the new Dime platform over Hyperliquid or the other dexes?
Yeah, I mean, look, first of all, it's exactly what I like, the vertical integration of all the other services, right? So that you can you can't only just trade, you also have all your assets there in a multi-collateral pool. You can do investments in like vaults or kind of covered call strategy vaults, right? Where you kind of take a very distinct set of risk, but obviously there's also a couple of technical details like RPI. We've been talking a lot about this retail price improvement, where we basically have a different lane for retail traders and pay zero fees basically on trading, because
like when I saw this update on Paradex, I was super excited. Like
zero fees.
It was you guys were the pioneers of providing this kind of three-way structure, separating API traders versus like more screen traders and giving a better experience for screen traders. So as a screen trader myself, I was really excited when RPI was introduced.
Yeah, no, I think we think it's also fair, right? Like just charge the market makers actually to access the retail flow, right? Because there's always like a bit of talk that retail is uninformed and which that's not necessarily true, but what's definitely true is that retail and screen traders, they are slower. That's for sure. They're not playing the speed game like market makers do, right? But then it's unfair, I think, to charge them the fees, when it's the market makers that actually make money with that business.
Yeah,
right?
In the HFTs, doing interdex arbitrage.
Not to say that market making is easy. It's a hard business.
It's a very hard business.
Yeah,
you want to be a case with API, you can still do it, and the fees are lower than Hyperliquid.
Oh, for sure. Even with the API, you're right. Yes.
You can still do that, but you just need to pay because you have a competitive advantage that you're an income trader. So you need to pay to exploit this advantage. So it just makes sense also for traditional trading.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, cool.
But Hudson, what are you actually doing, and why are you here, and why do you like Paradex or Dime?
I'm here to first of all explore Singapore a little bit, meet a good old friend. I'm from Amsterdam. So the original pioneers and hub of trading. And now being here in Singapore at the Paradex event makes me super excited. And I was really curious on what's the new updates are going to be on the platform. I think what I said on this RPI update paradigm as Paradex has provided. Glad you guys are separating the names, Paradigm and Paradex.
So what are you trading a lot yourself, or what are you doing?
Yeah, a little bit. I was looking a little bit at sort of like the weekend mean reversion trades currently, 'cause we've seen a lot of CME gaps recently. Unfortunately, I think this month CME will also come out with their 24/7 market, so there will no CME gaps be forming anymore. No.
Somebody over
Thank
it?
you. For the rest, I'm also market making some futures markets myself. Also looking a bit more into Paradex if I can see some interesting.
You're making futures. How do you by hand or what? Or do you have like
through API. Yeah.
through API? Yeah.
So-
So are you a software? Do you have a software engineering background or something? Or?
Not really. I was a chemist before, but
Chemist.
A chemist. A chemist. I do love creating stuff on a very small scale.
So how did you get into API trading then? Or-
Yes, it's a good question. I've of course worked at the crypto exchange formally, and during this period they also started API trading a lot, and they set some nice examples, and also using the help of Claude. It's quite easy for a non-software engineer to at least get like a simple setup. I think there's also some Python libraries from CCTX.
Yeah.
Which also provide already some easy entry into API trading.
But could you code Python or something? Did you?
I learned like the basics in like half a year or something. So
Okay.
it's a lot of evening learning.
Half a year. So you learned half a year a little bit of Python, and then you started basically coding a market making bot.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And the main edge that you always find, market making is a difficult business. You're always competing against big players. So in a sense, you want to go to the more like smaller venues with less liquidity in the books, where a lot of slippage occurs, and use the reference prices for more liquid exchanges. And maybe I think Paradex has some interesting altcoin markets where book liquidity is relatively low, slippage can occur to market make these kind of markets.
Actually, there is a lot of opportunity on market making on Paradex.
Yeah.
Because even the big players, like we have a lot of institutes doing market making, but they don't do all the markets.
Yeah.
And because I'm the quant at Paradex, I'm responsible for covering liquidity.
Yeah.
And even like basic strategies can work pretty well in some markets.
Yeah, yeah.
Have you ever considered like opening vaults and so
Opening a what?
vaults?
A vault. I have considered it. I've not yet really pushed it through.
Yeah, I tried to convince you. You should
Yeah.
finally do it, man. I know he's a very humble guy, but this guy is actually like a day trader. He does it for a living.
Yeah.
He's actually a day trader doing it for a living.
Official day trader, yeah, professional day trader.
Yeah, not only in crypto, but also in stocks and everything. But
mainly traditional markets, but I think looking more into crypto markets for certain opportunities.
yeah,
And,
so
maybe
I think when we have the dated options, so I'm gonna get you there because you also trade a lot of options, and
True.
you are quite a very risk managed person. You know, you're not having a switch flipped in your brain. It's like, oh shit, I need to go all in or something. You're always very risk calculated.
Yeah.
So these are actually always hedged. You know, always hedge the tails. You know, like so you should really start. That's a very good
True. Yeah.
personality to run a vault. You know.
Yeah, exactly. I was really considering it, maybe also like posting a bit more about the story, like what's the trade behind it. I'm always amazed like how open all the traders are, telling a bit like what's the view in the market, and I've learned so much just from Twitter or like from mainly from colleagues, I would say, but on Twitter there's also like some really valuable sources of finding a good trading opportunity. So yeah, I'll consider opening a vault and some insight.
Yeah, I will get you there.
Thank you.
Of course, else I'll ban you.
Right to the air.
Yeah.
Remember this.
Yeah. So what's up in the chat? Dan, do we have any questions or anything? Nothing going on?
Are we live?
They like the stream? Or they're not saying anything?
That's quiet.
It's not like a chatting group, you know?
Okay, yeah.
It's a good time to end it anyway.
Okay.
Bye, everybody.
All right, guys.
Thank